Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to merge and unmerge cells in a word table. So I am working on an executive briefing document for my client, and I need to put in the location for each of the media activity. Now, I have been told that the media roundtable will all be happening in the same room, which is the Danang room. So one way to do that is to copy and paste the location to each of the below cells, but because everything is happening in the same room, so I want to merge the cells instead. Now this is quite easy and straightforward and very similar to Excel. All we need to do is to highlight the cells that we want to merge, then go to table layout and click on this option, merge cells. And it's done. But now we have another problem. So the cells has been merged, but the text is somehow skewed towards the top of the cell, and what we really want to do is to push the text down so that it appears in the middle of the cell, so that visually it is easier for my boss to follow. Now of course we can push it down manually like this, but let me show you a better option. Just click on the cell and then go to alignment and select on this option, Align Center. And now the text will be perfectly aligned in the center of the cell and our problem is solved. But now I have just been updated that the first two activities, so executive brief, media registration, and VIP media tour will be happening in one location. And then the actual media roundtable and Q&A will be happening at another location. So now we will need to split the cell. Now, how do we unmerge a cell that we have already merged? Okay, now there's no unmerged cell in Word, but if you look closely, next to merge cell, there's a split cell option, so click on that. Now, number of column 1, and I want to, number of row, I want to put 2 rows. Okay. Oh, it says that the number must be a divisor of 5. This means that we will need to restore the cells to the original format before we merge it. Okay, so let's put in 5. And now it is back to the original position. So now all we need to do is to merge this. Alright, and then merge this. And then put in the second room. And our problem is solved. But actually it takes quite some time and it's quite troublesome. So let me show you a better alternative to do this. If you want to split the cell into 2, all we need to do is to go to layout, click on this option, draw table, and just draw it ourselves. Okay, so one is the Danang room and then the other will be the second room. And now I'm going to align it center and our problem is solved. And that's it. Happy learning and see you in the next lesson.